Hello, children. Welcome to Phonics class. How are you all today? Do you know about phonics? Okay, phonics is about learning the sounds of English letters. Okay, so you know A, B, C, D. So we will learn how to tell the sound for each letter. We will learn the name, the sound, and how to write. Also, we will learn how to read and write. Okay, so today we are going to start with letter S. Can you see the big one in the screen? The big letter is your capital letter and the small one is your small letter. Okay, so in English we can write each letter in two ways. One is capital, one is small. We are going to study about letter S. What is this? Letter S. The name of the letter is S. And we are going to study the sound of letter S. To study that, we will start with a story. It is a sunny day. The sun is out and bright and shiny. And this is Sam and his dog. They both wanted to go for a walk. So they were walking. While walking, they met so many creatures, insects. The bee, the fish, the snail, the bird, the mouse, the caterpillar, and more of butterfly, spider, there's another spider, and ladybird. So they were all meeting each other, greeting each other, and they were walking. Who is walking? The boy, Sam, and his dog. Sam wanted to play with his dog, so he took a stick and threw it. The dog ran behind the stick and fetched it and came. Again, he threw the stick. This time the dog did not come back. Instead, it was sniffing on the grass and started barking. So Sam was wondering why this dog is not coming back. So he ran to see what is going on. To see there was a big snake. Yes, red spotty snake. It stood up and hissed at them. How does the snake hiss? So that is going to be our sound for letter S. So what is the sound? S. How do you trace the letter? How do you write the letter? You start here, come down like this. Can you do it on your table and see? Just trace S. And the action is like a snake. How do you do like a snake? Like this. Okay, now let's see. I will call out some names and see if you can hear the sound S in it. Okay? Sun. Do you hear S in sun? Yes, it is there in the front. Sand. S. Do you hear the sound S in sand? S. Yes, it is there in the beginning. Spots. Spots. Do you hear the sound S spots. Yes, it is there in two places, beginning and at the end. Listen, spots. Okay. Do you hear the sound s in snake? Snake. Yes, it is there in the front. Let's see how to trace letter S. The sound S. You start from the top, come put a circle, come down and turn back. See? Okay, say the sound, do the action and trace. Okay, now let's see how to sing a song for sound S. Okay, ready? Sing along.
The snake is in the grass.